Hello everyone, thanks for joining me today. My name is Ruby Zavala and I'm the Youth Gardens Coordinator for Texas A&M AgriLife Extension Service, Bexar County. And today we're going to be talking about cleaning out your garden and getting it ready for the next growing season. So it's important to take out plants in your garden once you have finished your harvest season and you start to notice stress on your plants. We are noticing on our tomato plant here that we're not getting as many tomatoes, brown leaves, and a lot of pests that are eating up our plant and our harvest. Right now it's very hot and our plants are using up a lot of water. So we're going to take them out just to help reduce water usage, help reduce stress on the plants, and help prevent any sort of diseases from spreading into our soils. And since we are going to be using this garden bed for our next growing season, we want to make sure that our soil is still healthy to use. So the tools that we're going to be using today are going to be some hand clippers. And these are loppers. These are just like our hand clippers, but they're just bigger. And we're going to be using them today because we don't want to disturb the soil. So at the very base of our plant is where we're going to use our loppers to cut the plant out of the garden bed, and then use our hand clippers to chop it up into smaller pieces to make it easier to handle and put in our compost bin. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. All right, everyone, thanks for joining me today with cleaning out our garden, and I hope you guys have a great garden season. All right, happy gardening, everyone.